Oh, Etho's interested in the firewood, aren't you, Etho? Yes, you are. Let me come around here. We got little Zada. She's working on her
corn dog stick.
Corn dog stick. Thank you, kids. Look at him. He's being such a goof. Xander, who's your favorite?
Little etho.
Who do you wish we could keep hidden forever? And there's little Hershey. She's in the black and white fashion design this morning. That's a tiger. It looks like a zebra to me. Okay, okay, guys. Let me see if I can get your face up cute. Etho boy.
Stop.
Aw.
Look for the camera.
Kiss Hershey.
Kiss Hershey.
Pick up Hershey. You got kisses for Josie this morning? Xander, pick up Zada. Hi, little girl. Hello, little girl.